If you use TikTok, then you probably saw this trick. Actually, this is physically impossible. Well, maybe some people can do that, but today I will show you how you can do this trick very easily in Premiere Pro. This is gonna be a fun tutorial, so without wasting any time, let's jump to the tutorial. Okay, so here we're in Adobe Premiere Pro. I couldn't find any proper stock video where I can use this trick, so for this tutorial, I am the model. We'll be using this video clip. First, drag it to our timeline. There are few ways which this trick can be done. You can use two separate videos, place one video top of one another and then mask the eye portion. Or you can just use one video. Since I have just one video, so I need to work with that. Okay, first hold Alt or Option and drag to make a copy and then place it top of one another. Move the upper video just a few frames, so now the timing is different for two video clips. Now what we need to do is just mask this area. I think this trick will work better when you have big eyes like me. You know, my eyes are like potato. Yeah, my nose is like a potato too. Actually, I think my face looks like a potato. Anyway, we just need to mask this area, right? With the upper clip selected, go to Effect Controls. There are few tools here, but we'll be using the pen tool. Let's zoom in and now just select my right eye. I mean my left eye, which now you see on the right side of your monitor. Now if I play, you will see the differences. We can increase the feather because we don't want to see the hard edges. Oh damn, this is so horrible. Just look at that. It hurts my eyes just by looking at this. Since I didn't use any tripod or any holder or whatsoever, so you will notice some imbalances. We can easily fix that by adding some keyframes in position. Click the stopwatch icon and move the position where I need it. If you hold it still and don't move your head, then you don't need to follow this step. Finally, we need to cut at the beginning and at the end since we have only one footage there. Press C for the razor tool and cut these two areas. And there you go, my friend. A nice, super simple trick for your next TikTok video. I hope you found this video helpful and funny. If you did, then please like and subscribe my channel. Also don't forget to hit the ring button so that you don't miss any new tricks, tips or tutorials. I will see you on next week. Thank you so much for watching this video.